How does NetDirector handle complex integrations for healthcare? Our customers send us messages in their native format, either JSON, HL7, FHIR, or whatever you've got. The message contains raw data. We take the data from that message and transform it to meet your needs. Let's say Trading Partner 1 needs a document as a PDF in an SFTP folder. We can pull out base64 from the original message and create a file name based on the trading partner's needs, and then deliver that PDF to the defined SFTP. With that same original data, Trading Partner 2 might need a JSON sent to an API endpoint. We can pull the desired data elements from the same message and create a new message using the trading partner-specific data. A third trading partner needs the data in a different format, for example, a healthcare standard HL7 message, to send to a different API endpoint, all without you changing your data schema or formats on your end. NetDirector then reviews and validates the success of this transformation before sending the message out to trading partners. All three of these individual trading partners receive the message they need in the format they've requested without any extra transformation on your end. Cloud-based integration with automation and transformation gives you the ability to integrate once and leverage infinitely. NetDirector. Integrate once.